How to download music from YouTube to MP3 in laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can download music from YouTube to MP3 on your laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up youtube.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner and click on it. From this menu, click on YouTube Studio. And now you'll be taken into YouTube Studio. Once you're here, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. You have to scroll down and click on Audio Library. Then you'll be taken into your audio library where you'll have the collection of audio tracks that you can download for free and use it for your YouTube video. And here you don't have to worry about the copyright issue. So these are audio, all these audio are free to use. So from here you can search for different audio. You can take your time and listen to the audio. In order to play the audio track, click on this play icon on that audio. And then you have to select the audio. Once you select the audio and once you have made your mind to download it, navigate to the audio, and if you navigate at the end of this audio, there is a download icon right here. You have to click on download. And with that, the audio will be downloaded. Now you can head over to the downloads in your file manager, and there you will find the audio that you have downloaded recently. So that's how you can download music from YouTube to MP3 on your laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.